Biology MCQs from BS Nursing Admission Test Past Paper 2022. Question number 71. A facultative parasite is a parasite but cannot live as a saprophyte. Question number 72. Phylloid is a modified petiole. Question number 73. The phenomenon of sulfur shower is found in nurse. Question number 74. The cauliflower used as a vegetable is a fleshy inflorescence. Question number 75. The common phase between aerobic and anaerobic respiration is called Embedden Maroff Paranas pathway or glycolysis. Question number 76. Niche represents habitat as well as interrelation. Question number 77. The relationship between one species and another within a community that has evolved through interaction is based upon all of these. Question number 78. All of these are requirement and mode of obtaining food only, requirement and mode of obtaining shelter only, the habits of the species only. Question number 78. Genetically engineered bacteria have been used in commercial production of human insulin. Question number 79. Photochemical smoke always contains PAN and 03. Question number 80. The UV rays in atmosphere are checked by O3. Question number 81. Phosphate pollution is mainly caused by sewage and agricultural fertilizers. Question number 82. Synecology is the study of community in the relation to the environment. Question number 83. Germination of seed is promoted by red light. Question number 84. In short days, plants flowering is interrupted if dark period is interrupted by red flood followed by a far red light. Question number 85. Which one is the most threatened area on the earth for wildlife? Antarctica forest. Question number 86. Who gave a cellular concept for protozoan von Siebold? Question number 87. The pellicle is present in amoeba verrucosa. Question number 88. Which of the following has a clitellum? Fourth worm. Question number 89. Except ectothermy, all below mentions are characteristics of members of the class Aves. Feathers, vertebral columns modified for flight, bones lightened by numerous space. Question number 90. Which type of feathers is used for flights? Counter feathers. Question number 91. The ATP is formed in mitochondria. Question number 92. In the process of DNA replication, topoisomerase plays a prominent role in. They can relax both positive and negative supercoils of DNA. Question number 93. N-formyl methanol tRNA is closely identified with synthesis of all the following except eukaryotic cytoplasmic ribosomes. Question number 94. A pyrimidine that is absent in RNA is thymine. Question number 95. In frog, the vein brings blood from the tongue is lingual. Question number 96. In our expiratory air, oxygen content is around 16%. Question number 97. Flaming or blending of our arms done by biceps. Question number 98. Fourth ventricle is present in medulla oblongata. Question number 99. Egg laying was belong to which of the learning group? Monotremous. Subscribe Reti Educational Academy YouTube channel and follow us on Facebook, TikTok and WhatsApp. I will upload the remaining past papers soon. If you need any past paper of any university of any test, just comment. Thank you. Stay connected.